Honey is a natural sweet substance produced by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. Let's dive deep into more about how honey is made and produced. Gathering nectar. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers using their long, tube-shaped tongues called proboscis. They visit flowers and use their specialized mouthparts to extract the nectar, which is a sugary liquid produced by the flowers. Transporting nectar. The bees store the collected nectar in a special stomach called the honey stomach or crop. They carry the nectar back to their hive in this storage organ. Processing nectar. Once back at the hive, the bees regurgitate the nectar into the mouths of other worker bees. This process, known as trophallaxis, allows the nectar to be passed from bee to bee, mixing with enzymes produced in their mouths. Evaporation and ripening. The bees spread the nectar across the honeycomb cells within the hive. They fan their wings to create airflow, which helps evaporate excess moisture from the nectar. As the moisture content decreases, the nectar thickens and ripens into honey. Sealing the honey. Once the honey has reached the desired consistency, the bees seal the honeycomb cells with beeswax to protect the honey from moisture and other contaminants. Harvesting honey. Beekeepers carefully harvest honey from the beehive by removing the honeycomb frames. They use special equipment to extract the honey from the comb, such as centrifugal extractors or honey presses. Processing and packaging. After extraction, the honey is strained to remove any remaining impurities such as beeswax or pollen particles. It is then packaged in jars or containers for distribution and sale. Honey production is a collaborative effort between honeybees and beekeepers. Beekeepers provide the bees with suitable habitats and manage the hives to ensure the health and productivity of the bee colonies. In return, honeybees pollinate flowers, supporting the reproduction of many plant species and contributing to ecosystem health. Honey is not only a delicious natural sweetener but also contains various nutrients and antioxidants, making it a popular food product enjoyed by people worldwide. The objective of this video was to know about where honey comes from and produce.